for the Falcon Lasher, you can also use the Overlash Assembly. You need to remove the bumper plate and install the Overlash Assembly, and we'll show that in a different video. In this setup, we're using the lower holes to keep the overlash higher on the lasher, and we're using the outer holes for the rollers to provide a little more space for the bundle. But you can adjust that based on your bundle size, so you can use the different holes to bring the rollers in. So once you have that installed, you need to open up your strand lock, and you can turn it 45 degrees back into that slot to tuck it clearly out of the way. Then you can open up your rollers. And then open up your rear rollers to prepare the lasher for the strand. Yeah, once you have your rollers closed and secure and your strand lock is tucked out of the way and locked out of the way, your rear gates and rollers are closed, then you're ready to pull.